Hello everyone, good afternoon. We're here from this one in this analyze of these games. The online chess is the Women's Speed Chess Championship 2025. So the final battle today. So it means two remainings left and the top two from this in this one of these finals in this finale. So the first game here within Blitz Chess and the next second game from this one Bullets Chess. So it means later from this next second games here. So how many clocks from this online Blitz Chess? So it means 3 minutes and 1 seconds increment. So very fastest here from this one. So it means because 3 minutes is very hard from these games from this one. So it means I play online chess here from this chess.com. Very hard concentrations. You need to fast here. So focusing of this one concentrations. And also have the final battle and also have a Team China from this Grandmaster Hu Yifan versus the Grandmaster in first women world champion Zhu Wenjun. So after the semifinals from this one by eliminates by Team Russia between from this Grandmaster Katarina Lagno and International Master Polina Shovalova. So it means knockout from this one. From this lose by Russia. So two games analyzed here from this one. It is part of this video. So let's the final battle begin between GM Hu Yifan versus GM Zhu Wenjun. Let's start. So white plays Yifan is e4, e5 Zhu, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, knight f6 to knight's defense. So these are the main lines here is used by bishop to c5, Yoko piano, Yoko pianissimo. So what's the meaning of the music? so strumming by piano. So it means main lines by bishop to c5. So bishop c5 is a main line. So Zhu knight f6 by here, knight f6 by two knights defense here from this one, and also d3 by defense by pawns, bishop e7 by preparing by castling by first women Zhu Wenjun. So it means castling here, and castle kingside by Hu Yifan, castle kingside by Zhu Wenjun, and also rook e1, pawn to d6 by next maneuver is bishop to g4 without counters attacks by knight. So according by next move here, and also pawn to c3. So it means next from this with idea by next move by here by d4 pawn. So it means these are the counters attacks, this one by pawns here, and also knight a5 by Zhu without counters attacks by threats the bishop. So threats the bishops here, and also bishop b5, and also a6 threats the bishop backwards, b5 threats the bishop, decided this one 3 steps, bishop c2 by Hu Yifan without concentrations, or maybe with idea by these determinations from these solutions, and also c5 without strongest by Zhu Wenjun by next here by push to c4. So it means strongest move here. So realized by this one by move side by pawn structure, and also knight bd2, knight c6, and also h3 by pawns without no more by bishop to g4 or knight g4 here. So these are the because this one are moving by pawns here, and also h6 by Zhu Wenjun, knight f1 without next maneuver is knight to g3 here by controls by this one from these knights here, and also bishop e6 without bishop pairs. So it means these are counters bishop pairs here, and also knight g6 without precise or good slight goods betters by Hu Yifan here, and also rook e8, and also knight h2. So it means without knights. So these are a novelty by Hu Yifan. So it means novelty. So these are the old main lines here. So it means good novelty is one is a4 pawn. So a4 is a novelty. a4 is a good novelty from this one. So old main lines is a good novelty. a4. So it means a4 by good novelty. So the new novelty by knight h2. So it means according said by International Master Jovanka Hauska and Grandmaster Judith Polgar, with the idea by next maneuver is knight to h4 or pawn to f4. So it means without controls, or maybe according said by International Master I am Jovanka Hauska and Grandmaster Judith Polgar. So according said by this watching these videos here. And also bishop backwards f8 here, and also f4. So it means without counters attacks the pawns here, and captured, good move, bishop takes captured, and also d5 here. So it means without controls here, or maybe without counters attacks this one by pawns or threats the pawns here. So these are the realized by without need to capture here, and decided this one Hu Yifan is push to e5. So push to e5 here by this one without threats the knights. So this one, according this one by said by I am Jovanka Hauska and GM Grandmaster Judith Polgar. So it means with idea by move side by d4. So captured. So it means knight captured, or decided move side by bishop to c5. So according said by I am Jovanka Hauska and GM Judith Polgar. So it means without, these are the examples here. So according this one, I watching this one by in this YouTube from this in this live streaming in this chess.com. So it means Women's Speed Chess Championship from this one. So I learned this one to watch these videos here. So it means watch. So I watched from this one in this YouTube videos here. I'm sorry, I got very confused by my talkative here. So it means next by knight to d7 by Ju and Jun here, and also knight f3 without knight pair. So it means go back here from this one, and another good move by Ju and Jun, pawn to d4. So it means what a strongs by Ju and Jun, with idea by counters attacks by pawns, and capture this pawn, takes bishop b3 without bishop to bishop, and decided knight to c5. So I'm sorry, I forgot. So it means go back. So it means the realize here. So maybe with idea by here by knight to c5 or knight to b4. So it means, so according said by Grandmaster Judith Polgar. So it means Binoni, or I thought said, so it means it's called Binoni from this one. Binoni from this one, from this one by LL here. So it means next move here by knights here. So it means knights. So it means so let's continue. This one is knight c5 by Ju and Jun. So it may be with idea by threats the bishop, or without counters attacks the bishops here. So counters attacks here from this one, and bishop takes captured, knight takes captured, threats the bishop, bishop d2, go back, knight c5, repeat, queen e2, queen d5, and also knight h5. So it means without good move by Hu Yifan, with idea by this one, by next here by knight to f4, or threats the queens, or maybe without bishop captured sacrifice. So it means according said by GM Judith Polgar from this one. So according this one by I'm watching, according from this one from watching of this live streaming from this Women's Speed Chess. So I watching this one, so learned experience here. And also pawn to f6, and also b4. Oh, without b4 here, without idea by threats the knights here, or counters attacks by knights here, and also decided knight a4, and also knight f4. So it is good slight betters by Hu Yifan by threats the disturb the queen. So threatening the queens here from this one, and queen d8 go backs by Ju and Jun, and also pawn a6, knight captured here, so it means knight takes b4. So it means, so that's not one of these Zhu and Jun's computers. So it means question mark bad move from this one. So the best moves there, this one. So the best one's computer, this one is, so the best one's computer, this one is bishop captured pawn. So bishop captured, if you capture this, bishop takes captured, and also knight takes captured. So it means these are the slightly betters from advantage from whites and blacks here. So it means, so back there, this one is knight takes captured, and also knight h4, good move. So good move by, great move by Hou Yifan. So it means 1 second by Hou Yifan. So it means almost time clocks, almost time out or flag down. Upcoming this one by running out of time by white pieces by Hou Yifan, and 14 seconds by Zhu and Jun. So 14 seconds here. So it means, so with idea here, without move side here by knight g6, or maybe here knight, same by knight to g6. So doubles by knights here from this one, doubles knights, and also knight c3 by threatening the queens here. So it means without attacks, counters attacks by queens or threats the queens here, and also knight f5. What happened by Hou Yifan? By almost by running out of time by this one from this 6 here. So it means almost time out clocks here. So it means knight f5 blunder ratios. What happened by Hou Yifan? So it means, the best moves one's computer, this one is queen to g4. Queen to g4. So it means, oh my god. So it means miss move by Hou Yifan. So it means queen g4. So it means why knight h5? Wrong blunder ratios. So what happened by Hou Yifan? So it means, it means after knight f5, so what do you think the last move from this one before running up of time by flag down from white pieces? So guessing puzzles here, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Knight takes captured, flag down, running out of time by Hou Yifan, because these are 0. Time is up. So it means flag down by Hou Yifan. So it means lose from whites. So the score by Hou Yifan 90.8 and 93.1 by Zhu and Jun, winning from blacks here. So the next from the second game from these bullets, 1 minute and 1 second. So what do you think next of these second games? White against between Grandmaster Zhu and Jun, and black pieces by Grandmaster Hou Yifan. So it means 1 minute and 1 seconds increment from this online bullets chess. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed of the second game. So white plays Zhu is e4, c5 Yifan Sicilian, knight f3, e6 Sicilian defense French variation, and also g3. Oh, g3 here without upcoming by light square bishop by bishop to g2 from this one, and also knight c6, and also bishop g2 by preparing by castling kingside by Zhu and Jun, and also knight f6, and also d3 d5. So it means without upcoming by counters attacks by pawns, or next by push by e5 without threats the knights here, and also queen e2, and also bishop e7 by preparing by castling kingside by Hou Yifan. So it means bishop e7, and also castle kingside by Zhu and Jun, and also h6 without no more by bishop to g5 or knight g5 here, because these are the moving by pawns here, and also pawn a4, b6 by preparing by move side here by bishop to b7 without light square bishop, and also rook d1, and also bishop a6. So it means without good good slides, better move by Hu Yifan. And also queen backwards, Zhu and Jun is a novelty of this game. So these are the old main lines. So recording by move this push to e5. Old main lines here. So it means recording by chess.com. So it means e5 is a good slightly old main line. So threats the knights. So e5 is a old main lines. So the new novelty is queen backwards e1. So queen backwards e1 and also queen c7 without upcoming by castling, not yet by castling king side or queen side. So these are the choose of this castling. And also knight a3, castling by Hu Yifan, and also pawn c3, bad move. So the best moves there, this one is push to e5. So push e5 by threats the knights here. So according this one by discontinuous, so slightly better here. So back there, this one is c3 and also rook ad8 Bran x by Hu Yifan. So the best moves there is capture takes and takes by pawns here. So it means these are the advantage from these whites and blacks here from this one. So back there, this one, this rook ad8 and also e5 push without threats the knights. Knight d7, good move d4, and also capture takes, and also knight b4 without move side here with idea by move maneuver is knight to c2. So knight c2 here from this one, and also bishop e3 and also knight d3, bad move. So the best moves there is rook to c8. Before by move here by knight to c2. So knight c2 here. So it means according this one by continuous. So advantage this one from blacks here. From this one. So advantage from these blacks. So back there, this one is knight d3 and also queen d2. Bishop b4 by threats the queens, disturbed by queens. So threatening the counters attacks, and also queen c2 without queen to queen. So it means another bad move by Zhu. So the best moves there, this one. So the best moves is this one is queen to e2. So queen e2 here. So queen e2 is a advantage here. So back there, this one is queen c2. Rook c8 without behinds the rook, so it means another Bran x by Hu Yifan. So the best moves there is queen captured accepted and knight takes captured. So knight takes captured is a advantage by these whites and blacks. So back there, this one is rook c8, queen b1 without ignoring, so it means wrong move. So the best moves there is queen captured accepted, rook takes captured. So rook takes captured here. So it means according this one by this advantage from these whites and blacks here from this one. So back there, this one is queen b1 and another good move, bishop captured. Not sacrifice, so it means great move. So good move. Sorry, I got wrong notes idea here. So it means bishop captured, good move without bishop takes knight, and captured, bad move, another bad move by Zhu. So the best moves there is rook takes captured bishop. So rook takes captured bishop here. So it means advantage this slightly good betters here from these whites here. So back there, this one is captured this bishop here and also pawn f6. Oh, what happened by Hu Yifan? So it means so lowest in valuation bar, so it means f6 is blunderacious by Hu Yifan. So the best moves there, so the best moves, the one's computer, this one is queen to c6 here. So queen c6. So queen c6 is a advantage here by blacks here from this one. So back there, this one is f6 by Hu Yifan, blunderacious. So what happened this low evaluation bar from this one, and takes, rook takes captured, and the puzzles here. What do you think the great idea by excellent by Sacrifice by Ju and Jun. So guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook takes captured. Sacrifice! What an excellent move! Excellent move by Grandmaster Ju and Jun. So it means exclamation mark, great move, good move, or sacrifice. Sacrifice by moves here by Grandmaster Ju and Jun. Something my eating my bread in this bread. I eating bread. I'm just hungry. So let's continue. Sacrifice. Rook takes captured. Excellent move. Bishop captured. Sacrifice. Threatening the queens. Oh, without threats the queens here. So threats the queens. By next by capture this one. And bishop takes captured bishop. And also rook cf8 battery. Oh, without battery. And bishop f4. And also queen c6. So it means late move by Hu Yifan. So it means without precise or slightly moves here from this one. And also pawn to h4. And also queen takes captured pawns. So it means so h4. So it means without queen. So queen threats the pawns here. So I'm sorry, I forgot from these threats here. So it means so next this one queen takes captured pawns. And also rook e1. And also rook c8. And also bishop to h3 here. Or maybe without threats the pawn. So I don't know threats. Or maybe here by rooks threats the pawns without move by bishops, without defense, or maybe develops development from this one. And also rook c6 without defense by pawns. And also knight e5 counters attacks by disturbed by rooks here. So it means without threats the rooks. And also decided this one is knight takes captured by Hu Yifan. Bishop takes captured, threats the rooks, and rook backwards f7. And queen g6. Oh, without strongest here by Ju and Jun. Upcoming by mating net. So it means these are the strong by masters from this Ju and Jun. And also rook e7. And also bishop f6, very strongest by is called by mace by queens and bishops. So it means without mace by according by watching moving by Queen of Katwe from this 2016. So it means it's called macing by queens and bishop. Without bishop, without threats the rooks here. And also rook f7 and also bishop e5. Go back, rook e7, bishop g2, queen c2 without queen to queen, and ignoring by Ju and Jun. So why don't we queen takes accepted? And also rook takes captured. So it means 3 pieces by Ju and Jun and 2 pieces by double rooks by Hu Yifan. So it means, so examples here. So back there, this one is queen g4 ignoring by Ju and Jun, queen c3, and also rook e3 threats the queens, and queen c1 check, king h2, queen c2, and also rook f3, and also rook f7 without rook to rook, and without rook takes captured accepted by Ju and Jun takes queen takes g7 check. Oh, without strongest by Ju and Jun. Without check from this one. King e8. Oh, winning by this one by Grandmaster Ju and Jun. Queen g8 check, king e7 check, king e8, queen f6. Oh, with idea by threats by pawns. Capture these pawns and I don't know captured. Oh, without without threats the captured pawns. Threatening the captured. Without counters attacks this one. And also queen e2. And also pawn h5. Queen takes captured. Check. Check this one. Bishop h3 without blocking by defense, so it means bad move. So the best moves there is king to g1. So king g1 here without advantage from these whites here. So almost by dying seconds, 2 seconds by Hu Yifan, and 6 seconds by Zhu Wenjun. Almost by these dying seconds is playing by online chess by bullets here. So let's go back. This one is bishop h3 and rook c5. Oh, what happened? Blundericious! Oh my god, blundericious. I'm shouting by around the people, around the world. So it means rook c5. Oh, there's the threats. This one threats the rooks. Blundericious by Hu Yifan. By almost by running out of time by Grandmaster Hu Yifan. Winning by Zhu Wenjun. So the best moves there, this one is queen to f7 here. So queen f7. So if you move by here, if you move by queen h8 check, and also queen f8. So if you queen takes capture, takes check here, and king takes captured. So easy advantage here from this whites and blacks. So it means doubles by bishops and Zhu Wenjun, and one rook only by Hu Yifan. So winning by Zhu Wenjun by white pieces. So back there, this one, rook c5, and the last shot, boom, rook takes captured, pawn takes captured rook. So it means loss of this block is running out of time. Flagged down by Hu Yifan. Oh my god, what happened of these block pieces? No more rooks here. So only by queens left here. So queen only by here. So it means one rook down. So loss of this one by flagged down by Hu Yifan. So it means losing this one. So because these are blunders, so it means rook. So you cannot thinking of this one by concentrations by Hu Yifan, because these are the bullets chess. So it means rook c5 is a wrong move from this one. So the score from this one, from these final results from this one, so the score by Grandmaster Hu Yifan 9.5, and the score by this one by Grandmaster Zhu Wenjun 11.5. So it means winning championship from this one. So congratulations from this one, from this crowd, from this woman Speed Chess Championship 2025 Grandmaster First Women World Champion Zhu Wenjun. So congratulations of this one, winning from this crowd, from this one. So I'm sorry I got stressful. So I hope at this part of this video, thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka I call Mark 17. Have a good day, and keep updates of this next chess update. So don't forget to subscribe by Mark Loagi 17 English speaking, and part 2 Mark Loagi 17 speaking Tagalog and Cebuano. So don't forget the views of these videos and like of this one videos. Have a good day and bye bye.